How I clean my aluminium parts on a motorcycle? Well, I'm gonna show you how, but if you're expecting a magic formula, a magic potion that will turn your dirty aluminium parts into mirror finish, you might as well skip this video because that ain't happening. Oh, you're still here, right? Well, welcome. I'm gonna quickly show you how to turn this into that. These pieces are both part of a radiator of my DRZ 400 SM. It's a 2007 bike. That means it's 12 years on the road, and that's how it looks like. It's been cleaned, but it's never been properly cleaned. That's what 12 years of aluminium on the road looks like. With a very simple cleaning technique, just household items over here, you can get a decent result. Whether it's going to improve the performance of the radiator, I would like to think so, but absolutely not. It's just purely cosmetic. Welcome, have a look. Guys, so it's really simple. What you need is water, bit of soap, I've got a toothbrush, and red Scotch pad. Also got some degreaser. So first thing I do, just give it a good clean. Soapy water, toothbrush. Give it a rinse of water. Now I'm going to use a little bit of a degreaser. And once I have it semi-clean, the biggest trick to the story is the red Scotch pad. I use a Scotch pad because it's aggressive enough to remove all the discoloration basically from the aluminium, bit of oxidation, whatever that is, but it's soft enough not to cause any damage to the rather soft aluminium parts. Give it a rinse of water. Repeat if necessary. Follow up with a bit of degreaser and then immediately wipe the spots attacked with degreaser with a clean cloth. There we go, guys. Once clean, it looks like this. As I said, it's not a magic formula, and apologies if we expected a simple product to spray on and make it shine like a unicorn's ass. Well, that ain't gonna happen. But a simple step, and amazing how much difference it makes when put back on the bike. I'm gonna carry on all the way around here. Before I mounted back on my DRZ 400. But until then, guys, as always, thank you very much for watching. Hope that little tip helps just a little bit for those of you who are thinking of cleaning some aluminium parts on your bike. It really does make a difference, and it really is that simple. Until then, guys, rock hard, have a beer. We'll see you very soon.